Super Cruise. My name is Daniel. I'm your super sensory instructor. See you next Monday and romantic night. For your own safety, make sure don't put your hands out, feet and things outside the boat. And because this is a water attraction, so you may get wet. So take care of all your electronic devices and intruders. Okay, first of all, who's the first timer here? Anyone's first timer here? Raise your hand, first timer. Yay! Many first timer here. Okay. Alright, and now look at your right hand side is the Tyson tree house. If you want to go there, make sure don't swim, okay? Because in this river many crocodiles are here. But right now you can't go there because you can't go to swim and you want to take a romp there before 6. Okay, right at this time, let's raise your hands and say hello to the left hand side. 3, 2, 1, hello! Okay, and say hello to the right hand side. 3, 2, 1, hello! Alright, welcome to the river. Yes, but I know a shortcut if you want to go.
Babasahin ka na.
Okay, first of all, look at the left hand side, the mommy elephant and the baby elephant there. The mommy elephant teaching his baby elephant to use his trunks. Ah, it's so cute. Don't worry, if you want to spread on you, he's still learning, okay? Maybe next time. Alright guys, and look at your right hand side. So when you don't use the seat, I get in the brother in the shower. Oh, look at those windows. Okay, under the water too long. We're taking a shower 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day. Alright, we're gonna be a new team and a new corner. Careful, you stretch on you. Are you guys ready to get wet? You go! Whoa! Alright, here we go again. Go again, 3, 2, 1! Nothing happened. Okay, that's why they call it a dry humor. Alright guys, then we go to the forest and a very old temple. Look at that big spider waiting for you. Just don't put your hands out. If you put your hands out, they will give you a handshake. This spider can do over 20 feet. We just 10 feet here, so they will jump right over us. No need to worry. Okay, and look at this, the elephant corporation. The security king Cobalt.
Pag ano ka video na ganito, hindi na siya pwede i-front.
Pwede.
There's another one, big one. And you be careful, just get too close. Alright. And no one gets wet. Okay, we go to
Paano?
the forest now. Look at that. And the crocodiles waiting for you.
Stop.
Because they are well trained for you to take the photos and so you stay video. About that. Okay. Alright guys, we go visit our friend with us for and we wait to his tips. Uh-oh. We forgot the longest snow again. And they got us monkeying around. It's like a mess. Look at that, underpants. Oh no, they have guns! Whoa! What explosion! Sure, I've got his both gunpowders inside. Hopefully they won't mess up with the collections here. Oh, they're so naughty. Alright guys, and look at this wild of the Africa. And you can see some seabirds around and also Africa and the thing. Did you know which one is the male seabird, which one is the female one? The male one is white with black strap and the female one is black with white straps. Yes. It's all the same. Alright, let's say hello to the elephant. Hello! There's the elephant living in this jungle with his mother-in-law. For the sake of water, accelerate. Now, many people there. They're so happy that 6,000 pounds in easy capsule of all better than you for that. Watch out! Did you smell that? They smell terrible. They didn't brush their teeth. Oh, look at that safari here. That boy said find those sickles, now change find the rhinos. Look at those hyenas laughing at them. Alright, we just let them here because they climbed the tree already 10 years. Let's go to there. We're entering the village. Look at the five scooters there. Alright, everybody keep quiet. Alright. You guys okay? Anyone else is that fine? Your head still there? Okay, my head is still there. Good. Okay. Raise your hand if you don't make it out. I will come back for you later. Alright. Okay. Everybody is still in one piece, okay? And get ready to go just up again. Everything will be okay. Yes. Have a bad feeling about this. Hang on, instructor. Whoa! So close. Where are we now? Oh no, we got this wrong phrase. Got a God Canyon. That's the one this year. Oh, look at that. We have nowhere to go. Let's go backwards. Oh no, we got trapped. We have nowhere to go. Oh no, we finally did it. Everybody go. 3, 2, 1.